Yo, I never knew what she plug no when we live, she plug no. I told me Thomas Adjetey Otchwenmah Appeared, and when me plug, allo Tommy Hook. When trying what here phone question. What fair where you Ghana and then only no public account committee. Comments ke messages in napa as a plug, she plug. Maybe I didn't let the cuckoo or bemi look. I be what question look, man be and to na men and only ya no. She can't back constituency me a year. Mini yaro because previous government na me huele ano quality and wote me kume wole even shikaponi aha ke ba constituency me okay awie wonye we ku she this time around there I feel a public no na me public account committee no any government appointee ni government echebo ayegbe na achobo ke no ko ya no de ba constituency na ke bu ba je na bi obo mini ofio A and B o anya mini yo Ghana fe no yo ke no ko ya no constituency me ba no jot it down ke committee na ya no ba no ka ha me aba bi OMCE allo OMP allo organization community company community yo na our chief executive ko no ma problem fe no ka account committee ne fast forward in Ledzokuku Ledzokuku MCE ni wafe wa honorable Isreal Adjetey Otchwenmah ni wafe wa for chimo kuzo numwe mbo manye abila questions in your ketako shift one first question abila ni me 33 word abila akeshi enye what receive so far akeshika eba in 2 trenches in all cost sum up almost about 12 million Ghana cedis nyawa about to oba.
So you received the common fund?
Yes, Madam Chair, we've received it.
Do you know how much you have received so far, please?
I know we've received 2 quarters. The first quarter was 4 million. Second quarter was 8 million. So far we've received 12 million.
Municipal.
Ledzokuku. Yes,
It's
municipal. Yes, sir. Yes, madam.
About 12 million.
Yes, 12 million Ghana cedis by constituency ni Ledzokuku fine like 12 million Ghana cedis ne kule moko tomo bolege kulo nuji tomo melege sometimes like 12 million Ghana cedis like kabibio she to convert it into dollars about 1.1 million dollars has been pumped into Ledzokuku fine like she can eba mambi bia keshi like she can ke ba mini development eba ba mami oh honorable UP honorable abila ke mini ke shika ba fe nya okwa video ko ba.
And what projects are you looking at engaging in execution?
For now, per the guidelines that we have, the chief's compounds and the markets, has its own design that is being done. So we've not gone there yet. We are yet to enter into the...
MCE.
Madam.
This is a serious question. You've received 12 million Ghana cedis, and the honorable member is asking you what you... As for the 24-hour market, the drawing is not in. We all know. Don't talk about things that will be done. Can you talk about what you have used some of the money? That is why we are here. The roadmap, whether you followed it up, sanitation, go straight to the things that you have done, not that you are telling us things that you will do. The money is already with you.
Okay.
About $1 million. It's already with you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. In fact, in terms of sanitation, we've gone through the processes of procurement. We are yet to, they've gone through, going to advertise it for us to procure the skip bins for the various electoral areas, those that need it. So we are going to do that. The advertisement will be in this week, I'm sure, hopefully, and we'll do that. We'll do the purchasing on legacy projects. In fact, CODA has done some works in terms of drains within my municipality. But
a lot
we want
of
to
work
complete,
in
yes,
Ledzokuku, a lot of work.
It's yet to complete, and we've tasked all the various contractors to move back to site so as they complete those projects. So we're on it. We have a basic, a classroom block that is yet to, is also, we've asked the contractor to make sure we complete those sites. In terms of sanitation, we've recruited almost 50 to 60 task force. We formed a task force of which sweepers, they are sweeping and managing the various streets for us within Ledzokuku, and we are engaging the various waste companies to, in fact, they are doing their presentations and everything, whereas we engage them and make sure they go through the processes so that they will take over the various suites going forward. Thank you.
Fine, honorable, you fine. Man, be here, no comment. Ne comment ya ni achichi. Want to know ne honorable am onupa FN your Ledzokuku am read the comment. E ko le problem ko o akutu emi. Comment mo want to know ne honorable ba na comment ni. Shika ni e ba Ledzokuku emi akeko ba wa. Abile eko about what current MP. Me relationship e kele yo. Now boy a response to it.
I want to find out, in all this plenty narration, where has the member of parliament been a part of?
Just as I said, my member of parliament is always available. I've been engaging him a lot. In terms of the environmental issues, we've done some sort of dredgings and things, and he made those allocations. Like, he showed us where exactly the people want to be dredged. So the various streams, he made those suggestions to me, of which we did that. So we've been engaging me a lot. He has been attending General Assembly meetings. He has been, even the budget that we did, in the review of the budget, I engaged him a lot, and I presented a copy of the said budget to him. So we factored him in everything that we do. Thank you very much.
Numwe you fine. Eke numwe ye joba. Ni no fe no na feel ye Ledzokuku emi eke numwe sure idea before it happen. Fine, what try the ohale because like it's an eyale. Ni even poka obutu Isreal Ahmed ke pa MCE ke onukpa fe onukpa na wo ye o constituency fe consider ameke ame MP se ena sanegba ko ni nutumo fe nutumo ni ya na ma mi MP ena ele koni at least jomo ni lewe yo ke wa bon lewe yo lewe ke support na kenite no public account committee ni involve Ledzokuku MCE ke watch fe next time ko o ba nya gbe ke another story ko but on the voice pop of Teshie plug na expect our akuche ami problems ko ni yo na akuche me nya me ni ke fun plug no like 1 million na jane ko sha wo fe wo de je na kwa wo ni no ba ye si akaba tuni ye o akuche mi yes I o Teshie plug we active hanye yes I no Teshie plug organization ni chulo ku ni be ko so akeshi Teshie plug okay ni enuchumo ya smoothly eji aquara mineral water na ke aquara mineral water ne eji nuko ni Teshie bi fe he wo mi ni organizations fe ni ji ku fe na me fia me program enu na me nu mo fe mo sia fe sia household name ye Teshie ma name aquara mineral water ko nu ko dan bo mo de ngene no ne wa he ko no nu agbene we expect mo aquara mineral water bottled water very soon baja no Jason was cry one back he wale. Yeah, big up to aquara mineral water down and ha won papa ni wonu very soon obana we o akuche me Teshie plug no. Bye bye.